Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is me, Giselle, and it is day 2 of HoliSLAY. Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe home where you can see every couple drop as we stop. Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. And today we are doing this super easy look using an affordable palette of 2 to 3 eyeshadows, just so you guys can do something or see something that's really easy and really fast to do. We only use 2 to 3 eyeshadows, so maybe you're going to like a day party, going over your in-laws house, maybe you want to go to work and you want something that's a little bit more glam because you have festivities after work. This is for the person who really doesn't know how to do a lot of makeup, so I made this super easy and with affordable palette and using as less eyeshadows as I can. You can definitely add eyelashes to it to make this look go to a whole nother level, or you can just keep it with the mascara like I have it and keep it pushing. So if you want to see how we got this super easy look, then keep on watching. So today we are going to be using the BH Cosmetics and it's my Ray Ray palette to achieve this look. It's super easy. These colors are going to be really basic, so therefore you can use any palette that you have in your collection. You don't have to have this palette exactly, because I'm not sure if they're still selling this palette on BH's website, but if they are, I'll make sure I'll link it down below. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a combination of Muse and Control Freak on a fluffy brush. This is the Morphe M502 brush, and it's, you see how big and dome shaped this is? We just want a big fluffy brush, and we're going to put that all, initially we're going to put it all over our crease, but it's just, since the brush is so big and fluffy, it's just going to get everywhere. And that's what we want. We want a good wash of color. Doesn't even take that long to blend out. It's great. This palette is so awesome. I really hope it's still available. So next I'm going to take Pancake, and we're going to put this at the top of the brow bone just to blend it out. Make sure everything is smooth and seamless. And Pancake is really like just a natural my color, but a little bit lighter, so that way we can set that brow bone. Next I'm taking some of the NYX glitter glue, and if you have hooded eyes, this is a great trick. We're not using glitter, but this is to keep all of the eyeshadow that we put on our eyelid on our eye, and it won't transfer everywhere else. So if I don't do this, any shimmer shade that I put on my eye will just transfer all over here, and I don't want that. So next, on a damp flat brush, we're going to go in with Allison. Actually, we're going to go in with our finger first and take Allison and just dot that all over our eye. Oh, so pretty. Such a pretty shade. Get those hard to reach places, which is the inner corner. Going in with a little bit smaller brush to get these edges more. There we go, that's better. So you can definitely add a wing, which I'm gonna do off camera, and add some mascara, and we'll be right back. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I hope you guys really found this tutorial really simple and really easy. If you're interested in my hair, I have done a flexi rod video on my channel. I'll make sure I link this up below. Also, to see my full foundation routine, what I've been doing, what I always do, I'll have that video linked down below so you guys can see that as well. And I will see you tomorrow on day 3. I got something special planned for thee. All right, bye guys.